Good morning, space fans. It's June 7, 2026, and the latest headline dominating the launch industry news feeds is that Firefly Aerospace, ticker FLY, has officially announced the strategic acquisition of SpaceX. The deal was publicly disclosed on May 7, 2026, and was instantly picked up by major outlets such as Yahoo Finance and Stock Titan. Firefly, already known for its reusable two-stage launch vehicle, is now adding SpaceX's cutting-edge autonomous flight software to its portfolio. In a single day, the company has shifted from a pure launch provider to a full-stack player in autonomous space operations. This move is not just a headline, it signals a new era in how U.S. launch firms integrate AI, software, and hardware to deliver more reliable, cheaper missions to orbit. SpaceX is a boutique AI software firm that specializes in autonomous flight control for small satellites and suborbital vehicles. Firefly's CEO, Jonathan McDonald, highlighted in a press release that the acquisition would sharpen our moon landing ambitions and give us a competitive edge in autonomous flight. The partnership will allow Firefly to embed SpaceX's real-time navigation algorithms directly into its launch vehicles, reducing reliance on ground-based guidance and cutting launch costs. The date of the announcement, May 7, 2026, is significant because it comes just weeks after Firefly's own AI software acquisition on June 26, 2026, emphasizing a clear, coordinated strategy to build a vertically integrated autonomous stack. The synergy between Firefly's hardware and SpaceX's software is expected to accelerate development timelines for future lunar missions. Shortly after the announcement, FLY's shares rose noticeably in pre-market trading on June 7, 2026, reflecting investor confidence in the new capabilities. Analysts from Morgan Stanley noted that the acquisition could unlock a higher revenue potential by opening up new services such as autonomous cargo delivery to lunar orbit. In addition, the deal has already attracted trust from several private sector satellite operators who were previously hesitant to commit to Firefly due to limited software autonomy. The news also put Firefly back in the conversation with NASA, who has recently been pushing for more autonomous, cost-effective launch solutions for its Artemis program. The market reaction suggests that the acquisition is already reshaping perceptions of Firefly's future in the competitive launch landscape. SpaceX's proprietary algorithms have already been tested on suborbital missions, achieving sub-second waypoint corrections in real time. By integrating these into Firefly's two-stage launch vehicle, the company can now offer flight-time autonomous re-entry and landing, a capability that was only theoretical before. The software stack is modular, allowing it to be applied to both the launch vehicle and the payloads it carries, meaning future satellite operators could benefit from in-orbit autonomous navigation without having to develop it themselves. This integration could also reduce the need for expensive ground control infrastructure, translating into lower launch costs and faster turnaround times for customers. Firefly's CEO stated that the acquisition is a key pillar in their plan to support NASA's Artemis mission and other private lunar missions. By combining SpaceX's autonomy with Firefly's reusable launch vehicle, the company aims to deliver a cost-effective, end-to-end solution for lunar cargo and crew missions. This could include autonomous landers that can navigate lunar terrain without constant ground intervention. The strategic move positions Firefly as a direct competitor to SpaceX's Starship in the lunar marketplace, potentially capturing a share of the burgeoning lunar economy that is projected to reach billions of dollars over the next decade. The U.S. launch market is dominated by SpaceX, ULA, and Blue Origin, each with significant resources. Firefly's new acquisition gives it a unique selling point: autonomous flight capability built into a small satellite-focused launch vehicle. This niche could attract customers who require rapid, low-cost deployment to LEO and beyond. Additionally, the partnership with SpaceX could enable Firefly to offer a more integrated service than competitors, potentially attracting NASA contracts and other government programs that prioritize autonomy for risk mitigation. The move also signals to the market that smaller launch firms can compete by specializing in advanced software, not just hardware. In the coming weeks, Firefly is expected to roll out updated flight software on its next test launch scheduled for late September 2026. Investors should watch for a formal partnership with NASA's Lunar Gateway program, which could include autonomous payload delivery. The company may also look to acquire additional AI firms to further strengthen its autonomous stack. On the financial side, analysts predict that the acquisition will be reflected in the Q4 2026 earnings report, with potential revenue uplift from new contract wins. For the public, a successful demonstration of autonomous landing could set a new industry benchmark and accelerate the commercial lunar economy. Firefly's acquisition of SpaceX on May 7, 2026 marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of space launch services. By marrying cutting-edge AI with reliable launch hardware, the company is poised to deliver autonomous, cost-effective missions to orbit and beyond. For investors, For the broader industry, it underscores the growing importance of software-driven solutions in achieving rapid, efficient spaceflight. As the lunar economy expands and NASA's Artemis program continues, Firefly's new capabilities could place it at the forefront of the next generation of space exploration. Stay tuned for more updates. The next chapter in autonomous spaceflight is just a launch away.